Rank these appetizers blindly. Boneless wings.
Can we just go ahead and take one?
Yeah.
Just go ahead and take one.
If that's on the list, I'm taking it.
That's one.
No debate, no question.
Yeah, dude, I'm taking an adult chicken nugget anytime I can.
Mac and cheese bites.
I'm good with 3.
Because if we get Ma sticks, that's got to
Gosh,
be
there might
2.
be 4.
We'll go 4 on the...
Yeah, you said it. Next one's mozzarella sticks.
It's got to be 2.
You got to be careful with that.
It's a popular pick.
Chips and salsa, loaded fries,
They're not going to come here with some loaded fries. There's no way.
Hey, you never know.
a trio sampler.
Ma sticks at 3.
I would have put them 5, but we'll go 3.
All right, nachos.
See?
That's 5 for me.
I guess we can put it 5.
Last one. This is number 2. You got deviled eggs.
You dirty dogs.
I hate you guys.
You're a bunch of dirty dogs.